guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to mash two videos together. I want to share these tags that I made, but they were so simple to make that it only took me a few minutes. So I'm going to mash this together and share the new CC Designs release. So this is some tags that I created using our digital stamp Holiday Latte. I'll have the link in the description box if you want to grab this digital stamp and create your own tags. What's nice about the digital stamp is you can size it any size you wish. So perfect to make some Christmas tags. So all I did was I colored up my image. I added this shadow behind there, and I'm going to share how to do that. It's so simple. Punched a little hole, added my twine, and then we stamped the to and from on the back, and it's ready for gift giving. I also added some stickles, so that's gives it some fun shine. So for CC Designs, they got some really cute ones this time. Love this cute little snowman set here. And this one's called Snow Peeps. Very nice size for these snowmen. And this one is really cute, holding this large coffee cup. And then we've got these two with their little noses. They're doing that little snuggly kiss with the noses. We've got the sentiments, sending snowy wishes. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. You're snow cute, and you're as sweet as hot cocoa. Here's a cute little set. There is a die for this one. This one is called Cozy Critters. This one's got a slipper in its mouth, and this one's got a cozy little scarf and a hat. We've got the sentiments, you are the cat's meow. Warm and cozy wishes, meow. Bark wow, and dog hair is my glitter. So super cute. This one has a coordinating die. This one is called Ice Skate Fun. So we've got these cute little characters. We've got them all ice skating. So you can create a nice little scene. We've got the sentiments, winter is magic, ice skating weather, have an ice day, happy cold days, and hello snow. Really, really cute. I love his little jacket. So cute, and her little hat. And then we've got some cute, fun penguins. So we've got, this is called penguins. We've got them doing all sorts of things. These would be really cute on some tags, making little tags with different ones. That would be super fun. And then I have two slimline dies. So this one has the little scallops around it, and I love how they are so tiny and cute. Look at that. And then this one layers right on top of that one. So perfect. So that is the CC Designs release. I'll have the link in the description box for you. You can use my code Jamie for 10% off your order. And you can use that on your digital order as well. So to start these tags after you're done coloring, go ahead and fussy cut the image out and then glue it onto your colored cardstock of choice. And then after the glue has dried, go ahead and take your scissors and fussy cut a little border around your image. This gives you a nice area to write your to and from on the back. It also makes your tag nice and sturdy. After we do this, go ahead and punch a hole at the top so you can thread in some twine, and then you've got a really cute Christmas tag. So now we've got two super cute tags. I really, really love how they turned out. I used the really cute sentiment from our new release, You Warm My Heart. Thought it went perfect with this image. And then we have our stamped to and from on the back. Those are Lawn Fawn stamps. And then we have our twine at the top, all ready for a gift. I think anyone would love to receive these on their gift. So I'll have the link down below to the digital stamp if you want to make your own gift tags. So thank you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you real soon.